Hi guys, here's my Sony MDR-7506 headphones and the case I bought for them. You can see I've set the length of each side of the headphones to 3 slots. That's the best I've found for it. And I've also tucked in the little cables that go to the speakers on the headphones to fit it in. So what you do next is you wrap the cable for the headphones around here, and eventually it'll fit. So you can see fits pretty well. Then you can just close it up and then zip it.
La custodia qua, per chi se lo vuole portare in viaggio, è super comodo, è anche molto grande. In più arriva ovviamente le cuffie che suonano bene, ok, sono comodissime da piegare, occhio solo quando le piegate perché è un po', come si vede, sottilino il metallo, però fa il suo dovere. Occhio anche ai cavetti ogni tanto. Il jack è fenomenale, c'è sia quello grande che quello piccolo. Io quello grande lo tengo perché non voglio disturbare a volte la gente con l'impianto. Tutto qua, consigliatissimo.
These are the headphones. They're really good. My boyfriend uses them all the time. The cord is extremely long. They're reversible. It's an installed mic in the headphones, so it might not look like it comes with a microphone, but it does pick up audio. It can also go into the microphone as well, like stick it in the microphone. You see where it says headphones. You can also stick this into your laptop, so you could just record music off the laptop, which is great.